Have you ever wondered how aliens, those mysterious beings from outer space, have shaped our entertainment landscape? Our fascination with the extraterrestrial has been woven into the very fabric of popular culture. These cosmic strangers have been acting as catalysts for thrilling narratives, evoking a mix of awe and fear, wonder and dread. From the pages of science fiction novels to the grand spectacle of cinema, from the intimate realm of television to the interactive world of video games, aliens have been our companions, our antagonists, our saviors, and our destroyers. Their portrayals have been as diverse as our imaginations, reflecting our hopes, anxieties, and the eternal question, are we alone in the universe? So, buckle up. We're about to embark on a cosmic journey, exploring the fascinating evolution of alien depictions in our media. Join us as we delve deep into the fascinating journey of alien depictions in our media, from their early portrayals to the present day. The portrayal of aliens in media didn't just happen overnight. It has a rich history, dating back to the early 20th century. The dawn of the alien era was a time of curiosity, exploration, and, let's be honest, a fair amount of fear. The earliest depictions of extraterrestrials in popular culture were primarily found in literature, with one of the most prominent examples being H.G. Wells' War of the Worlds. Published in 1898, this science fiction novel painted a picture of a terrifying Martian invasion with advanced weaponry and a disregard for human life. Wells's Martians were not friendly explorers looking to make contact, but rather conquerors, seeing the Earth as a resource to be exploited. This portrayal of aliens as a threat to humanity was a common theme in the early days of the genre. Aliens were often depicted as monsters, invaders from outer space, intent on colonizing our planet and wiping out humanity. This narrative served as a reflection of the fears and anxieties of the time, fears of the unknown, of the foreign, and of the rapid pace of technological advancement. However, these early portrayals were not without their nuances. H.G. Wells, for instance, used his Martian invaders as a critique of British imperialism, highlighting the brutality and inhumanity of colonization. So while these stories often painted a grim picture of our potential cosmic neighbors, they also held up a mirror to our own society and its flaws. These early depictions of aliens in popular culture had a profound impact on the genre. They laid the groundwork for the alien invasion narratives that followed, shaping our perceptions of extraterrestrial life. They tapped into our deepest fears and our greatest hopes, exploring what it means to be human in a universe that is vast, mysterious, and potentially not so friendly. These early depictions set the stage for the alien invasion narratives that followed. As the film industry blossomed, so did the alien genre, giving us some of the most iconic alien characters and stories. From the early days of cinema, the concept of extraterrestrial life has fascinated filmmakers and audiences alike. The silver screen became a canvas upon which our fears, hopes, and curiosities about alien life were painted. Let's rewind back to the year 1951 when the ominous invaders in The Day the Earth Stood Still made their debut. The film presented extraterrestrials as a threat, reflecting the anxieties of the Cold War era. These invaders weren't just here to cause mayhem, they were a metaphor for our own destructive tendencies. In a way, the aliens held up a mirror to our society, forcing us to confront our fears and flaws. But the narrative wasn't always grim. Fast forward to the 80s and Steven Spielberg's classic E.T. the Extraterrestrial gave us a friendly, lovable alien who just wanted to phone home. E.T., with his glowing heart, symbolized the potential for friendship and understanding across the universe. Spielberg's film showed us that aliens could be more than just invaders or monsters. They could be misunderstood beings, far from home, looking for connection just like us. And it wasn't just about invaders or friendly visitors. The alien genre in film also explored the idea of us, humans, being the aliens. Films like Avatar flipped the script, with humans being the invaders on an alien planet, challenging our perspectives on colonization and exploitation. These films and many others in the genre have done more than just entertain us. They've sparked debates, inspired scientific exploration, and fueled our collective imagination. They've made us question our place in the universe and consider the moral implications of our actions should we ever encounter life beyond Earth. From the ominous to the friendly, from the monstrous to the misunderstood, the portrayal of aliens in film has continually evolved, reflecting our changing understanding and sentiments towards the unknown. These films not only entertained us, but also made us ponder on the possibilities of life beyond Earth. Television wasn't far behind in exploring the alien narrative, with shows that took us to galaxies far, far away. In the mid-20th century, shows like Star Trek boldly went where no man had gone before, bringing us face to face with a plethora of alien species. These were not just bug-eyed monsters bent on universal domination, but complex characters with their own cultures, languages, and philosophies. Star Trek's Vulcans, for instance, embodied the idea of rationality and logic, a sharp contrast to our human instinctual and emotional nature. In the vast Star Trek universe, we were not only introduced to the unknown, but also given a mirror to reflect on our own humanity. Fast forward to the 21st century, and the alien narrative on the small screen has only expanded. Doctor Who, a British TV show that's been on air for more than half a century, has given us a time-traveling alien who looks suspiciously human. The Doctor, as he's known, is a character that embodies the spirit of exploration and adventure. This show, much like Star Trek, uses the concept of the alien to explore deeper themes. It has shown us the Silurians, a prehistoric race native to Earth, challenging our ideas of who the real aliens are. It's given us the Daleks, a race so consumed by hatred that they've lost all semblance of compassion, making us question our own capacity for violence and prejudice. The alien narrative on television has often been a tool for social commentary. It's a way to discuss diversity, acceptance, and the fear of the unknown, without directly pointing fingers. It makes us question our prejudices, our fears, and our understanding of others. It shows us that alien is just a label, and that beneath the surface, we're all not so different after all. These shows have brought the alien narrative right into our living rooms, making it a part of our daily entertainment diet. It's a testament to the power of television and how it can be used to explore complex ideas, all while keeping us entertained with tales of space and time. Today, the portrayal of aliens in media is more varied than ever, reflecting our evolving understanding of the universe. The advent of modern cinema and literature has brought us a plethora of extraterrestrial depictions, each more intriguing than the last. Let's dive into the terrifying abyss of Ridley Scott's Alien and John McTiernan's Predator. These films unleashed a new breed of alien onto the silver screen. They're not here to make friends. They're not here to share technology or wisdom. They're here to hunt, to kill, to survive. These ruthless creatures from the stars reflect our primal fears of the unknown, the predator lurking in the dark. They're the embodiment of a universe that isn't just indifferent to us, but actively hostile. But not all modern aliens are monstrous nightmares. Enter the lush, vibrant world of James Cameron's Avatar. Here, the native Na'vi of Pandora are not merely creatures, but a complex society with their own language, culture, and spirituality. They're a reflection of our hope that, in our quest for the stars, we might find not just life, but kinship and wisdom. Similarly, the Guardians of the Galaxy franchise presents a kaleidoscope of alien species, each with their own quirks, strengths, and weaknesses. This motley crew of heroes, anti-heroes, and everything in between paints a picture of a universe teeming with life, adventure, and the potential for both conflict and cooperation. It's a universe that's not just filled with aliens, but with possibilities, and therein lies the beauty of the modern alien. They can be anything we imagine, from our worst nightmares to our greatest hopes. They can reflect our deepest fears about the universe and our place in it, or our most profound dreams of what we might find out there. As we continue to explore the cosmos, our depiction of aliens continues to evolve, offering us new narratives and perspectives. So, what does our fascination with aliens tell us about ourselves? As we've journeyed through the evolution of extraterrestrials in pop culture, we've seen how our perceptions of aliens have morphed and changed over time, reflecting not only our technological advancements, but also our shifting attitudes towards the unknown. In the dawn of the alien era, aliens were often portrayed as menacing invaders, as seen in classic literature such as H.G. Wells' War of the Worlds. This reflects a time when we viewed the universe with trepidation and fear, a vast, unknown landscape filled with potential threats. However, as we grew more comfortable with the idea of life beyond our planet, our depictions of aliens began to evolve. On the silver screen, we saw a shift from the purely terrifying to the fascinatingly diverse. Think of the charming E.T., the enigmatic species in Star Trek, or the complex societies in Star Wars. These portrayals spoke to our growing curiosity and openness towards the idea of extraterrestrial life. Meanwhile, on the small screen, aliens became a staple of our daily entertainment. From the Twilight Zone to the X-Files, they served as a mirror to our own societies, highlighting our flaws and aspirations. They became a tool for us to explore themes of identity, belonging, and otherness, allowing us to question our place in the universe. In the modern era, the alien trope continues to evolve. We see this in the multitude of ways aliens are depicted across various media platforms, from video games like Mass Effect to graphic novels like Saga. Today's aliens are more diverse than ever, reflecting our understanding that life in the universe, if it exists, could take on forms we can't even imagine. But what does all this tell us? Well, our portrayal of aliens says more about us than it does about potential extraterrestrial life. It's a testament to our imagination, our hopes, our fears, and our ever-present desire to understand what's out there. Moreover, it's interesting to note that as our knowledge of the universe expands, so does our portrayal of aliens. It's almost as if the more we learn, the more we realize how much we don't know. This sense of wonder and humility in the face of the cosmos is perhaps why aliens continue to captivate us. Whether they're invading our planet or helping us save it, aliens in media continue to captivate us, reminding us of the endless possibilities that lie in the vast expanse of the universe.